Hey there, welcome back to the channel. Been a little bit since we've got out here. We've both had things going on. We've got a little bit of time tonight, so Mike popped in and we're gonna get that cross member under there, get this thing off the jack stand, and once we do that, then kind of see where we're at, I guess.
Yep.
But first things first, we're gonna get on that. Alright, so we had to wrestle with it a little bit. Had to do a little prying.
A little bit.
But that's kind of expected. Overall, even with having to wrestle with it a little bit, jack it up and down a little bit to get it get everything to line up, still went in, I think, a little easier than we expected.
I would say so. Yeah.
So, another small step. Shiner time. Thanks for watching.